Welcome back to Car Tech Auto, a futuristic concept for a luxury motorhome. The 2026 Cadillac OpenSpace Concept blends Cadillac's renowned luxury with cutting-edge autonomous technology. The following are some salient features that characterize the idea. Important attributes: Level 5 autonomy. The idea aims for Level 5 autonomy, which means the car can manage all driving duties without assistance from a person. Passengers can now travel in a completely different method as a result. Expandable living space. The car's core living area may be enlarged when it is stopped, giving occupants a more roomy and cozy area. Rooftop access. Passengers can take in expansive views of their destination from the roof deck, which is another special feature. Reflected exterior design. With reflected surfaces that produce visual harmony with the surrounding landscape, the vehicle's exterior is made to blend in with its surroundings. Inside luxury. The open spaces inside, as anticipated from Cadillac, is furnished with opulent materials and cutting-edge technology to provide passengers with a plush and comfortable space. Advanced technology, AI-powered driving assistance, a fully digital OLED dashboard, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities are all included in the cockpit cabin. The living space is furnished with premium materials, a smart glass sunroof, and an entertainment system that includes a Bose surround sound system and a motorized TV. The kitchen is fully furnished with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and high-end quartz countertops, while the bedroom features a queen-size memory foam bed, mood lighting, and a hidden 4K projector. Electric performance. This motorhome's 500-mile range is provided by Cadillac's Ultium electric drivetrain, which can be charged to 80% capacity in 40 minutes. It guarantees a comfortable ride on any terrain thanks to its adjustable air suspension and more than 600 horsepower. The Cadillac OpenSpace Concept for 2026 offers a preview of the possible direction of luxury travel and signifies a significant advancement in motorhome design and technology.